The first step to a fantastic fall display is to have a strong foundation with both height and texture, and the best way to achieve that is with cornstalks and straw bales. Cornstalks are a great way to have a background for your display, while a large straw bale is a great way to prop up and show off any fall annuals or pumpkins you want people to see. I'm passionate about pumpkins, and we have so many seasonal squash and gorgeous gourds, so you have the pick of the patch for your front porch. Our name is Bountiful Gardens for a reason, and when fall rolls around, we carry every color of mum under the sun, so you have the perfect pick for your fall palette. And if you want long-lasting foliage and deep hues of jade, emerald, and purple, cabbages and kales are the best way to go. These are hardy. The same hardiness applies to grasses. These add both a medium height and a delicate texture to your seasonal display.
Another great plant that we love to add to our fall displays is coleus. They come in a variety of vibrant colors, and they will last you from summer until frost. Multicolor Indian corn is a great addition to any fall porch display and also adds a wonderful pop of fall color as an interior decoration. As was mentioned in our last video, we have an abundant and ever-rotating supply of hand-planted container gardens that add a pop of life to your fall porch display. This is our front porch, and as you can see, it's a blank slate. So, let's pumpkin spice it up.
You could do something simple like a one-sided display, which is great for smaller entranceways, but still provides you with different heights, colors, and textures, and add all sorts of fun details. I added this little pumpkin pot that we got recently, and I think it's super cute. You can get fancy and create a fall palette all your own using ornamental cabbages and heirloom pumpkins. Or you can go for the full bounty, filling every possible space with pumpkins, fall annuals, and seasonal decor.